The doctor called it post-traumatic amnesia. It happened to me after my accident. Severe head trauma. I was unconscious. I was unconscious for 5 months. Before the accident, I knew everyone. My friends, my co-workers, my father's business partners, my schoolmates. But when I woke up, everything was gone. They were all gone. Memories. No memories. It was with the help of my parents, they started showing me pictures and videos. I wouldn't have known who I was. I still can recall everything about my childhood. But, I've been trying to rebuild myself from figments. Maybe I'm healing. I believe I'm healing now.
I'm sorry you went through all of this. You are too innocent for something like this to happen to you. But I'm glad you're okay. I promise to help you recover every memory. I cross my heart.
It's funny. I don't even know if I've ever been in love. There is this guy that, used to come around before the accident. But my sister said something that stuck with me.
What did she say?
She said during the course of the accident, everyone thought I was gonna die. He never came to the hospital to visit me. But when he heard that I've started recovering, he suddenly reappeared.
That's because he was a boy, not a man. You deserve better.
What do you mean?
Um, Ma'am, is there something else I can help you do?
Oh no, honestly, I've never been really comfortable sending people on errand, whether at work or even at home. I don't enjoy it.
I'm not complaining. You're my boss and it's part of my work. I don't mind.
I know, but the fact that I have the authority doesn't mean I should abuse it. Don't you think so?
Okay, I understand. But can we be friends so that it will be easy for you to ask?
Victory. Being friends with you might be a little bit dangerous than even giving orders.
I don't think so.
Okay, sure. We can be friends. I mean, I could use a little female friend help around.
That's fine. I'll be in my office. Whenever you need anything, I'll be here.
Yes, I will be needing Johnson's file. So bring it right away. Let's do some cleanup before submission, okay?
Right away. Ma'am, here is the file.
Okay, thank you. I want to place an order for food. Do you want something?
Oh, yeah, sure. I would like fried rice, cooked meat, and salad. Thank you.
Okay.
Action. Wow. She has a good heart. I don't think I can do this.
For the day I will call you my oh my. I'm waiting for the day I will call you my oh my. I'm waiting patiently, patiently. I'm waiting patiently, patiently. From the first time I saw you, baby, I fall in love. You're my kind of woman, just give me a chance. Oh baby, I'm waiting for the day I will call you my oh my. I'm waiting for the day I will call you my oh my. I'm waiting patiently.
Promise me you'll be coming to my house next week.
Well, I can promise you next week, but trust me, we'll work something out.
Don't tell me you're traveling outside the country again.
I have you here. My sister will take care of the work over there.
Fair enough. So tell me, why do you always travel outside the country? Is it for business or study? What?
Well, that will be gossip for another day. What? What is it, Bright? I love you.
Ma'am, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. Here is your food.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, ma'am. Have you noticed the absence of Bright and Jude at work today?
Oh, yeah. They went to Lagos to represent us at our Lagos branch. But they'll be back in 2 days.
Okay, fine now. Thank you, ma'am, for the food.
You're welcome. Hey, honey. Is everything okay? Have they started the meeting yet?
Oh, not yet. I'm actually outside catching my eye.
Oh. Are you okay? Are you good?
How can I be good when you left all your other staff and sent me to Lagos?
Come on, baby. I miss you too. But you know you're the only one I trust to go represent us there. Okay? I would have gone there myself. But I trust you.
So, why don't we travel together?
Business before pleasure. Baby, you know how much this company means to me. You know everything we're doing is for the betterment of this company. Please, let's just work together, okay? For the rapid growth of this company, of course. And you know I love you. You're just so naughty.
What happened back there? What happened? Explain to us what happened? Why? You see that girl? You see that girl? That girl saved me. That girl saved me, came through for me when my father died. She came through for me when my father died.
Collins, I've not been seeing you in class. What happened? We had a presentation today.
Stacy, I'm just returning from my dad's burial. And I've not paid my final year school fees. The truth about the whole matter is this. I will not be able to write final exams with you guys. And there is nothing I can do about it.
Oh my God. Okay, it's okay. All right? I'll talk to my dad. Okay? I don't want you to think too much. And you missed today's presentation. The presentation has a very high score.
I was just devastated and I decided to stay out.
Like I promise, I will sure talk to my dad.
Thank you very much.
Okay. See you around.
That's it. My name came out. I wasn't even expecting it.
God.
Let me see the name
During
again.
the presentation,
I was so scared. As much as I studied, but then I was so scared. But I delivered. Trust me, I did so well. That was a second semester. You know, the lecture.
Oh, Stacy.
Oh my goodness.
Stacy, thank you very much. Thank you very much. You are God sent to me. Thank you very much for helping me with my fees. I appreciate you a lot. Please, can you help me and thank Stacy,
stand up?
please?
You're making me shy.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
It's okay. It's nothing.
Help me thank your friend,
okay.
please. Please, thank
Stacy, you did it again.
I had to. Come on. Why you guys are being so dramatic right now?
My God, what will I have done without you?
Come on, girl.
It's okay, guys.
Thank you.
So, where are you headed? Are you going back to school or back to hostel?
No, your lead. Anywhere you are, I'm
Okay, so let's go.
Thank you.
We actually have even class. We have to be back in school by 5 o'clock.
You see? I can't afford to hurt that girl. That girl gave me the certificate I have today.
Bobby, forget this thing where they yam. You say they talk, say this guy do this one for you, this one, this. Well, she recognize you. She recognize you. Why they talk?
That's the same girl. That is Stacy. She recognized her name when I called her. Same girl. See, if anything happens to that girl, I'm going to expose this mission. Hey!
You say?
Yes! That is the one! Expose who? I'm going to expose this mission. Try it! Try it and I'll pull the trigger in your chest! Yes! Who will pay? Who will refund? Who will pay the money Claire gave to us? Who? How much is the money? I'm going to pay you and I'm going to pay you. How much is the money compared to that girl's life? That girl saved my life. That girl made me who I am today. How much? Get ready to pay. Get ready to pay! Let's go. Let's go. Get ready to pay! Fuck!
Bobby, they fuck up, oh.
Get ready to
Bobby,
pay!
they fuck up, oh.
Let's go. You can go for all I care. Get ready to pay! Stacy saved my life. Stacy saved my life. Damn it!
Life is like book, oh. Each day, new page, oh. Each day, new page, oh. There are lessons to learn.
Stacy saved my life!
Lessons to learn.
And I can't afford to hurt that girl.
There are lessons to learn.
Something terrible almost happened to me today. Someone wanted to hurt me. I almost got kidnapped.
So, who must have wanted to hurt you then?
I don't know. I don't know who I have wronged. That's the worst part. I don't know. They had a gun. They wanted to kill me. They wanted to kill me. They wanted to end my life. Okay. I love you too, but don't go. I want you to stay on the phone with me. I don't want to feel alone. Please, I'm really scared. Baby, they had a gun. They were on black. They tracked me. I was scared. I almost peed on myself. I was so scared. Okay, I'm calm.
I know you are behind all this. I know. I'm here to warn you for the last time. If anything happens to her, you'll have me to contend with. What's all this? I've pleaded with you countless times. I even gave you reasons why we cannot be together. What is all this nonsense? I'm warning you. If anything happens to her, you have me to deal with.
think about this?
I
I think I like the sparkles and, you know,
I like this one for you.
the sleeve.
Okay, let's see. Oh, this is the best.
You think so?
Oh yes, I know. So we're taking this. Yeah, we're taking this one.
Personally, I would rather go for this.
Look at the style. This is everything. This.
Yeah, this is quite lovely.
This is what we want.
Okay, let me show you this shoe. A silver color shoe with touch of pink. Let me show you.
Touch of
like
pink.
it is dreamy. Hold it. Look at this.
I want it. Oh, I love this.
You like it?
I love it.
I told you. So I'm gonna rock this with it.
Perfect.
I should get this.
Yes.
Okay.
We're taking this one. Let's
Add
add
to
to
cards
yeah.
here.
That's it. So we're doing pink and silver for the thing.
Yeah, pink and silver.
Yeah, this one.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love this. And then what about the bag?
Choke me. Oh, God, choke me, baby. Choke me.
This is the latest deal. I think we'll have to add more than 4. You know this is Abuja. In case of necessity.
Yeah, I agree with you. Let's be on the safe side.
And what about Ogini? I love Ogini dance. I love them a lot.
What are you saying? That's perfect. I like Ogini, so yeah,
Okay.
I agree with you.
Okay.
Just add Ogini and live band.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like.
Yo.
Dude.
Yeah.
I hope you're planning to go on a vacation somewhere. Because you know, when you work hard, you play hard.
That's true.
Life is not too, you need to enjoy yourself.
Yeah, that's true. But meanwhile, tonight we'll watch Barcelona versus Real Madrid.
You know what the result will be.
You know, now 4-0, Barca will win.
Are you okay?
What
are you saying?
You don't know anything about football.
We have Mbappe.
Oh, you can't dance.
3 goals for him. That's
Hey, handsome. Please, can I? Oh my God. Please take me off. Turn me off. Anyways, my name is Joanne. What about you?
Jude, man, you know, I have things to attend to.
Yeah.
Alright.
Please.
See her?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Am I the one that sent him
No,
away?
it's fine. You know, he's a married man and he has a lot of things to catch up with.
Oh, married man.
So, feel comfortable. Don't I look nice, you know?
Okay, what's your name?
I'm Jude.
Oh, Jude. You're handsome.
And your name?
Joanne.
Nice meeting you.
You too.
You care for some more?
No. I'm okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, I want to leave.
You're not comfortable with me?
Not really. Just don't worry. See you some other time. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, you are something. See you guys later. Excuse me, what are you saying? Like, you failed on this very simple mission? What is there to seduce a man? What were you even wearing? What did you do there? Calm down. Calm down so I can hear you clearly. So he stood up the moment you got there to sit with them? I see. Listen, you're going to try again tomorrow, all right? You are paid to do this job, so get it done. Excuse me. I don't know what is wrong with this one. I don't want. What is she even saying? She's defending it.
Men will not test the guy. Really they know whether they.
Huh?
You understand?
It's all the groomsmen now.
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Do your thing. Do your thing.
I can pass it. They never give us the room. The room get key.
Wait, tell you gentleman enough to get me money.
Like for real, they're supposed to be sponsors to carry us.
But it's because we didn't go to that place.
You don't have that long.
My sister, move it.
That long to carry books. Inside.
Are you kidding me? Oh my God, don't do that.
Yo!
Yeah.
Cheers to good life.
Yeah, cheers to more contrast.
More contrast.
And cheers to love.
I love to marry
And
life.
cheers to single life.
Oh, I'm mine.
Yeah. Don't worry. Soon.
Nigga, you're getting old. What do you mean just to say your life?
Come on, man. You're just a lucky man.
Yourself.
Guys, maybe we should play a game like truth or dare.
Yes, I'm game.
I'm
all in. All in.
Yeah, we should.
Oh, come on, guys. We mustn't play truth or dare. Let's play something else.
Something else like what?
Anything.
Anything like what? Hold on, Jude. Are you hiding anything? Don't
Oh,
tell me
come
you're hiding
on.
something.
Me hide something. No, I'm game.
We are playing truth
Truth
or
or
dare.
So you go first.
Oh no, you go first.
Fine.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be asking you, truth or dare?
What are you doing here?
Can we talk?
What are you doing here?
Never mind. She's not around.
I know. What do you want?
Let me in, please. So we can talk. It's not safe here, you know.
How can you say that? Come, let me get the door.
Wait.
Who's that? Ah, good. Come in, bro.
What's up?
I'm good.
There is this parcel I need to go pick up. The car key.
Oh, my wife went out with the car.
Oh my god. And this is very important.
Oh, sorry. Can't you just wait? I think she will be back any moment from now.
Okay. I'll wait then.
Alright, I'll personally come call you when I'll just bring it.
Alright.
Alright.
If you want all of this to stop, you must make love to me.
You know that's not possible.
Really? Say so. Listen, all I want is another night with you. And I'll be fine. Deal or no deal.
Come on, what are you even saying? You know why we're here. Why are you doing this?
Really? Would you want me to tell you why? I am sure she'll be happy to know.
No, there's no need for that. Look, I'll just think about it. Please, just leave. She might be back anytime. Please.
You see what just happened? It? Maybe I should tell her that we're one sister.
Oh, don't do that now. You can't be like this. I said I would think about it.
Are you sure?
Oh.
You don't want me? Are you sure?
Please, come on.
Are you sure? You don't want this? Hmm? Still want to think about it? All right. Think about it real fast before I change my mind.
This is so gorgeous. You know, I can't wait to rock this. I know when Bryce sees me on this, he's still not gonna resist me. Of course. He's gonna devour me. He's gonna jump right onto me. This is amazing. Okay. You stay right here. I'm coming for you. I'm going over. I'm coming.
Baby, open up, it's me.
Coming!
Okay. Baby, where are you? Are you hiding from me?
I'm in the restroom.
Oh. I'm here to pick you, so we'll go downstairs and eat.
I'll eat later. I'm having running stomach.
What did you eat?
I guess too much butter. But I'll be fine.
Are you sure I can come help you?
Help me with work. I'm okay.
Alright, I guess I'll see you then.
I don't even want to see your face. Is that bad? Don't want you touching me with those filthy hands of yours. Stop touching me, double.
Okay. No. No way, Stacey. It's your turn.
Yes, it's your turn.
Yes.
All right, no problem. Victory. Truth or dare? Truth or dare?
Okay. There.
You have to do it. Listen, we've been having a lot of drink. No one is gonna slush. You have to do it.
Let's go.
For real.
Let's have it.
Okay. Okay. All right. I'm gonna give you a task that'll be a little bit hard. No, easy. Don't worry. Relax. So I dare you to kiss Bright.
Oh, come on, Stacy. How could you say a thing like that? Can you withstand another woman kissing your husband?
I mean, it's a fun night. We're here to have fun.
Come on, that's unfair.
There's nothing there. Let's just have fun, right? Come on, do it.
No.
You are not gonna drink. You promise.
Yeah.
No drinking, no slushing.
But I'm not going to do that. Let's just say something else. Something else.
You guys are just so boring. Okay, fine. Truth or dare?
Truth.
You say you.
No, I'm serious.
Truth this time. Yeah. Okay, fine. Truth. Okay. So tell me, when was the last time you had sex? The last time you made out?
Really?
Yeah.
You sure you want to hear this?
Of course I do.
Okay.
True.
Oh,
You
stop
have to
it.
be truthful.
Oh yeah, sure. The last time I made out was last night. No, I won't tell you all. Let me tell you in full details.
Okay, I'm all yeah.
My man came last night. Although I didn't tell you guys, we had it real hot, and he left this morning.
Smart, yeah.
Yeah, I you know he is tall, light skin, pure.
Okay, fine. You see? Some people are there getting it hot, while others are crying.
Oh, come on. Who are those crying?
Life. That is life.
Sorry,
But I hope you enjoyed it.
Of course, he's good.
Come on, sorry.
And I'll do that again.
I see.
Sorry to break this whole. You know, I never told you this.
Okay.
Yeah. Our honeymoon in Las Vegas is going to be memorable, and I assure you of that.
I can't wait, baby. So tell me, did you enjoy it?
Of course. You know, because he's tall, light skinned, and he was so amazing.
Can we play at the
No, that's good.
I can't listen.
It's your turn now.
No, it's my turn.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Right? I dare you to.
Hello. I need you to come to this hotel and pick me up. I want to leave here before tomorrow. Can you just call me, please? Bring home and explain everything. I want to be out of here.
Bro, is there something I need to know?
I'm as confused as you are. Does it mean Victory told her something?
That's which?
You know, if anything happens, I'll hold you responsible.
I don't understand. Hold me responsible as because you dated her. For what reason?
Because she asked me to sleep with her as compensation.
Did you do it?
What am I supposed to do?
Did you do it?
I did it!
Look at you. I sense gossip. Look at you. God.
So what are we going to do?
Excuse me.
Should we go and meet her?
Did we do it together?
Come on, man, don't sound like that. I had no option. The girl was breathing down my neck.
I don't even know what I'm thinking right now. See, I am wondering how come my sister is the one that went to take her to the hospital while we were the one with her at the hotel.
What nonsense are you talking about? She's her sister. She's supposed to come in this morning. Probably she just came in and saw her in a critical condition and decides to take her to the hospital. My own is, why now? Huh? Why? Jesus. What is all this? What is all this?
Just...
How is she?
How is she doing?
I believe you know of her condition before now, right?
Yes, I do, but why now?
This is what we face at times. Please, excuse me.
But what conditions is she talking about?
I will tell you about
Please
that.
tell me.
I will tell you later. Who's calling me? Not now, eh? Why is this idiot calling me? Why is this stupid girl calling me?
Who is that?
Who else if not Victory?
Victory again. Look, I told you, that girl I know clear. Why is she calling you? At this moment, this time. Why?
Jude, that's not my problem. My problem is Stacy. Her condition now. What am I going to do?
What is the condition she talked about here? How is she faring?
She's in coma. They said Stacy is in coma.
Oh my God. And how about her sister?
She went home. I think they told her to go and get something.
Okay, let's go and see her at least.
Jude, you're not listening to me. They said she's in coma. They didn't even allow me go see her.
I don't understand. You are her husband to be.
I don't know what to think. I don't even know what I'm thinking right now.
I am confused as well. I don't know what's going on, right? I don't understand.
Let's just sit and wait in the car. Let's sit and wait in the car.
Life is like buko. Each day, no page. Each day, no page. There are lessons to learn. Lessons to learn.
Right!
There are lessons to learn.
Jude! Did you not see me? What is wrong with both of you? Stupid things. Am I the cause of your predicament? You foolish he-goat. Scallywag. This has not ended yet. I will see to the end of it. Stupid thing. How am I even supposed to live here? Are you listening to me at all? I am talking to you.
Hi, babe. Can I have your car key? I need to quickly rush the bank for some transaction.
Hi.
Hey, babe. Okay.
What's the meaning of this nonsense?
We are going to the hospital on Thursday. That's all I can say to you.